Hi guys, today we will see that how many Devraj is present in this string. Not in continuous manner, in different manner. D is presented here, and E is here, V is here. Like that, we have to find how many Devraj in this string. Okay, so we will solve that using objects. Okay, so we create object. Now we use only D. Let's initiate with one. Okay, in this object. Okay, we initiated the object which is Devraj. All the counting starts from one, and now if any D comes here, what is the approach to solve? We count all the things. How many D's comes here? How many E comes here? All the things we counted, and then suppose D is suppose for some time. Suppose D is presented 6 times and R is presented 7 times, G is presented 4 times, E is presented 4 times, A is presented only 3 times, and J is presented only 2 times. Okay, suppose that. Let's forget the question. So suppose we got this, and now what is the number we can find Devraj under this string? So the number is of D is 6. Okay, so we got 6 Devraj. No, we got only 6 D, not Devraj, because E is only 4. How you made the string? Home, because D is 6 but E is only 4. If you wrote Devraj, then only 4 names E is present, and like that, 4 V 7 R and A is only 3, J is only 2. That means only 2 Devraj will be fully completed, because minimum we have to check the minimum. Other Devraj might be found, but in on that Devraj J is not present. Understand what I am saying? You make only Devra, not J, because J is only 2 times now. So now we go according to the question. We created the objects, and then now we run a loop on this string. We run a loop on this string. Okay, to access all the elements. Normal for I equal to 0, I less than str dot length I plus plus. This is normal basic loop. You know that how it works. And now I object str I plus. That means what the things the run, the loop starts running, and if anyone matches this, suppose A I equal to 0, A I matches from here, yes, matches from here, then the value of A increases and it becomes 2. And when all value comes here, on the loop starts running from 0 to end. Okay, then all the value increases because which are the how many things is present, then the value increases. Then we have to access this. Now how to access all the elements from object? Through foreign loop. Okay, where key in object. Now we have to find what maximum number, which is maximum, because all the things increases according to this string. And then we have to find out which is minimum. I said that in before starting the question, why we find the minimum value, because we have to complete the formed Devraj. Okay, so now, oh, it's my mistake. Now, if we have to initialize minimum, okay, where minimum equals to, let's take infinity, okay. Now, if object pairs are smaller than minimum, what is minimum? Minimum is infinite, and object pairs is less than minimum, then we want what? Minimum equals to object k. Okay, now we got the minimum. From Devraj, right? And because we initiating from one, so suppose only one Devraj formed in this string. Okay, only one. Suppose only one Devraj formed from this string. So the D becomes 2. All the things become 2. Maybe not all the things becomes 2, but the minimum, who is minimum? That is 2, right? So 2, that means only one now, because here only one Devraj, and here it goes to 2. That means because I initialize 1 in starting, so anyone come here, it becomes 2. That's why we have to subtract -1. Console.log minimum -1. Now this gives the number of Devraj found from this string without any repetition. Okay, without any repetition. Three Devraj. Count the number. How many D's are present? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 D's. D6. Okay. Six D's present here, and how many E's are? E 1, 2, and 3. Only 3 E's are present. Only 3 E's are present. And how many B are present? 1, 2, and 3. B is also presented 3 times, right? And R, how many times are R present? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. R 4 times. And how many times A present? 1, 2, 3, 4. A is also 4 times. And then J. How many times J presents? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. J present 5 times. Now we find minimum number. Minimum. What is the minimum in this? Minimum is 3. So that's why only 3 Devraj comes from this string without any repetition. Okay. Without no any letters are repeated. Okay. Here the minimum is 3. The minimum is 3. That's why only 3 Devraj made from this string. Okay. I hope now you understand. Okay. Thank you.